The Colectica Repository and Portal work together as server applications, with the repository acting as an authoritative central storage of metadata populated via publishing from any of the Colectica desktop tools. It is the backbone of the Colectica platform, leveraging the Open Data Standards format, making it the ideal solution for centralizing and organizing your multiple, complex, and scattered data sources. The portal is the web front-end powered by the repository's data. It's where internal or public users can browse or search all the information in the repository and interact with that information in multiple ways. The portal can be configured as a public website or restricted only to users who have authorized accounts. All users can view, search, and browse the information, and if desired, they can be allowed to comment on items to foster discussion and collaboration, or even rate items. Specific users can also be assigned one or more roles which provide different authorization levels for submitting, editing, and annotating items. When you are ready to publish your study's documentation or updates, you can either instantly publish to the live portal, or you can have it go through an approval process using Colectica Workflow Services. That custom workflow allows you to manage your data publication process, such as having administrators review and approve proposed publications or updates. The Colectica Repository and Portal provides full support for item versioning and auditing. Every version of an item committed to the repository is saved, allowing clients to retrieve a full version history of any item in the repository. Each version includes additional information: the authenticated user who committed the version, the date and time the version was committed, and an optional message describing the reason for the version. Also, a specific version of any item or set of items may be tagged. A tag is simply a name given to a version, so it can be easily referenced in the future. Tagging can be used to mark milestones such as publication. All metadata stored in the Colectica repository can be represented in one or more languages, so when an item is documented in more than one language, the user may choose which language or languages are displayed. This allows multilingual search and generation of multilingual documentation, leading to easier collaboration. The portal provides a basket to save variables, questions, or other types of items so you can refer to these items later, download documentation for the items, or download custom data extracts containing the variables in your basket. Colectica Portal is highly customizable and configurable. You can create buttons that appear on an items page or on the basket page. When clicked, those buttons call an external web service. Colectica Portal also includes the Colectica Repository REST API. This allows programmatic access to the Colectica repository, and with the repository being built on ISO 11179, DDI Lifecycle Open Data Standards, as well as web service standards, it's easy to integrate into workflows and third-party applications, especially when using Colectica Software Developer Kit, Colectica SDK. With Colectica, you can have peace of mind in leveraging continuously modernized, sustainable documentation solutions that can complement, streamline, automate, or even fully replace other ad hoc systems. Getting started is easy. Contact us today to discuss your unique situation and requirements to reach your goals.